All right, so we have someone that found something that someone else was throwing away. I love these. So they're doing a furniture flip here. It's like they're adding some woodwork to this, really kind of upgrading it. Oh, she's making a kitchen island. Wow. Oh, this is unreal. Wow, what an amazing transformation. I love the underlighting too. This is just very cool. I am just shocked by this transformation. Wow. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this next one, I think they're making some type of lantern here. So they have a balloon, puck light, and some rope. So they're going to be using the balloon as like a little guideline to create the shape. Pops the balloon and reveals this beautiful lantern design. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow, very cool. All right, next up we got these envelope holders. I guess that's what you can call these. So they have an old container here. Old milk carton. Pretty impressive what you can just kind of like take that you would normally throw out and turn it into something new. Like that just amazes me. Like with that first DIY, I can't believe she made a kitchen island out of that. Like that is just incredible. I'm still stunned by that transformation. Okay, so she uses the wooden pieces as little handles. This is cute. I feel like these would look great in the bathroom. Oh, those are tea bags. I thought it was mail. I was like, they look kind of small for, mail, but now I see that they are tea bags. That's funny. Okay, so I'm guessing this person is making some type of like tiered tray here. One of the levels looked like it might have been a little bit crooked, but this is a cute idea. Oh, okay, she takes those bottles out. So they were just placeholders. And it does appear to be level now. Very nice. This is so cute. this person is making a candle holder here. Nice little floral shape. Oh, wow. These are nice. Oh, I like the little like speckled effect that he does here. That's pretty cool. Oh, I love it. Very nice. All right, so then we have an artwork piece here, this paper palm fan. So she's pretty much just gluing this down on canvas and then framing it. Easy little decor piece. Nice and simple project idea. All right, so we have some old tin cans here. I'm gonna guess right now that this is some kind of candle holder design. Oh, it's a lantern, I believe. Oh, wow, that's cute. I like the mint green color. Oh, wow. Very cool. Such a cool project idea. Wow. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIYs with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.